Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. We are in Google Docs right now, and I'm going to show you how you can put two tables side by side in your Google Docs. So the first thing you want to do is go up to the left-hand side and you will find your menu. And you're going to look for insert, and from here you're going to look for table. Now you can enter a table. Now you've got to put it like this. So you've got to have two cells next to each other. So it's got to be a 2 by 1. Okay, so once you've done that, you're going to make sure that your cursor is in the first table cell, and you're going to go back up to insert, and you're going to go into table, and now you can put the table in that you want to use. Okay, so let's say it's a 3 by 2. We're going to put that in there, and then you're going to put your cursor in the second cell. You're going to go to insert and back into table, and now you can put the table in that you would like to put in there, and we're going to select that. Okay, so now we are going to select inside of our main table that we've just entered in here, and you can go up to the format tab, and if you look for your table now, it's right here at the bottom, and from the drop down menu you can look for table properties. Okay, now once we're in table properties, you'll go on the right hand side, you'll have a new menu and it'll say color. Now, once you go into color, you'll see table border, and we'll see the size. Now, currently it's 1 point, and we're going to go and make it 0 points. All right, so now we can close the table properties, and you currently have two tables side by side in your Google Docs. If this was a helpful guide, drop us a big old thumbs up. We'll see you next time. Cheers.